All companies face strong worldwide competition. They use smart technologies to gain an advantage and secure their market position. But what are smart technologies? And most importantly, what are the actual advantages? Will human specialists only play a minor role in the future? At this company in Bavaria, smart technologies are already a part of everyday life. Besides easier operation, modern machines offer many more advantages. In the past, it was necessary to produce large quantities to be profitable. Now, small quantities are also worthwhile. This is not only a big advantage for the company, the customer's specific needs can be accommodated while still maintaining efficiency. When the production chain is digitally connected, companies can maximize orders and better utilize production capacity. Since the switch to smart technologies, the Bavarian company has been able to reduce lead time by over 40% and simultaneously improve delivery reliability by 20%. Advantages that are particularly important for Germany to stay competitive as a production location in the future. A healthy company that provides jobs in the long term has a step up on its competitors. Everything that contributes to increasing this effectiveness, especially smart technologies, is very good. A statement that the employees of this company near Darmstadt can corroborate. The use of intelligent machines has not fundamentally changed the way they work. They see the technology as helpful support. These technologies make it possible for employees to concentrate on actual work. For example, a machine operator can focus on his expertise in milling technology. This software for controlling a CNC milling machine is similar to the intuitive operation of a smartphone. Even calibrating the 0 point on equipment can be done using a camera without the input of complex numerical data. A 3D animation shows the results before the first cut. Adjustments can be made at any time. An advantage, for example, when working with trainees. The operator is guided step by step through the software. The goal is to guarantee consistently high quality of the end product. A development that can yield many advantages. By better coordinating processes and shortening lead times, products can leave the factory faster and reach their destination on time. The biggest risk, in my opinion, would be if we only used smart technology and turned our brains off. It is still the judgment of human beings that is necessary to judge the results of these algorithms in terms of usefulness. The use of smart technologies should therefore achieve much more than just reducing costs. It could even cushion the shortage of skilled workers. The training of such employees can be streamlined. At the same time, the focus of the work can be laid on the actual creativity of the specialists, while routine work, supported by smart technologies, can be accelerated. As the world's leading trade fair for metalworking, the EMO Hannover offers a complete overview of the market. In September 2019, under the motto "Smart Technologies Driving Tomorrow's Production," the leading manufacturers of production technology will present intelligent innovations.